B, voiced. B, B, pronounce like this. B. B is for bird. Birds like to sing. They start to sing when it's spring. Pronounce the B sound in phonics. B, A, D, bad. B, A, M, ban. B, A, T, bat. B, E, D, bed. Practice the sound B. Ack, back. Add, bad. Ag, bag. An, ban. At, bat. Ed, bed. Egg, beg. Ib, bib. Id, bid. Ig, big. In, bin. It, bit. Og, bog. Ox, box. Ud, bud. Ug, bug. Bum. Bun. Ut, but. Ka, cab. Ka, curb. Ka, cob. Da, dab. Ga, gab. Ga, gob. Hub. Ja, jab. Ja, job. La, lab. La, lob. Ba, bob. Na, nab. Na, nub. Rub. Sob. Sub. Sub. Ta, tab. Rob. Ta, tub. Web. The sound B is spelt in different ways. Let's see. B, birthday. Bed, bedroom. Back, baby. Bake, beach. B, rabbit. Ribbon, rubber. Pebble, bubble. Abbey, abbreviation. There are 2 letters but 1 sound in phonics and phonetics. Moreover, we write just 1 sound in phonetics. For example, hobby, hobby. Crabby, crabby. Wobble, wobble. The sound B occurs in all the 3 positions in a word. Initial B. Bicycle. Bake. Brown. Bright. Boat. Big. Body. Baby. Blue. Break. Medial B. Medial B. Wobble. Cable. lobby, able, bubble, rabbit, terrible, bumble, mumble, dribble, hobbies, final B, final B, cab, lab, rob, rub, tub, cub, web, grab, pub, throb. Double B is usually in the middle of words, except ebb. Some phrases for practice. Blue, black, and brown books. A bright, bubbly baby. Rabbits nibbling biscuits. A brilliant, bright boy. Buy a birthday present. Some sentences for practice. Buy some brown bread for breakfast. Ben wobbled on his new blue bike. Beryl bought some bubble tea in Bago. Beth learned Burmese before visiting Bagan. Bert and Bart travelled by bus from Belgium to Bulgaria. Mouth position for the sound B. Practice P first, then use your voice to say B. P, B, P, B. Press your lips together and say B, boy, boot, bet, B.